that have been coming in, but Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh is of the opinion that this indicated that the government of that time wanted to hide and suppress Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's great legacy at all cost, and his legacy is something that it was the current Prime Minister who has re-established Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as a shining star in the annals of history. But the Congress's point of view, Akanksha, if you can help us understand, because they have been calling this statement as a lie.
Absolutely, Amita. Congress party has called the statement a lie. This is a statement by Manikam Tagore of the Congress party. Let me read this out for you. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh claims Nehruji wanted to build Babri Masjid with public funds and that Sardar Patel stopped him. This is a lie. There's zero documentary evidence to support it. Nehruji opposed using government money for religious places, including the reconstruction of the temple. He insisted that it should be funded through public contribution, not the state. So in a way, the Congress party here accepting that even though he did not want to use public fund for rebuilding Babri, he was okay with it to be funded through the public contribution and not the state. If Nehruji refused public funds, even for Somnath, why would he propose spending taxpayer money on Babri is what the Congress party is asking. The claim collapses under basic logic and historical record. Rajnath ji's statement are not about history, they are about politics, rewriting the past to divide the present. The BJP strategy is simple: insult our founders, invent stories, fuel polarization. We will not allow the legacy of Nehru or Patel to be distorted by Godse followers. Truth matters, history matters. Rajnath Singh's lies must be exposed. So the Congress party here saying that the statement that is coming from Rajnath Singh is a complete lie.
All right. Thank you, Akanksha, for that. So emphasizing that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a true secularist who did not believe in the politics of appeasement. Here is Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh saying that when the then Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru proposed to construct the Babri Masjid using funds from government treasury, it was Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel who had opposed the use of government money for the construction.